Alright, well I might add an extra song if I feel like it. We'll see how it goes. But this song is about a rat infestation at Michael's house. Yeah! And I want you to all put on your very best rat face for me. And I have rat ears here. And if you put on a pair of rat ears, you must participate in the rat race. Do you understand? If I give you these, you must put them on and you must circle pit for me. I want to see you fucking scurry. I want to see you put on your best little rat, scrunch up little rat face, and I want you to for me, okay? So like I said, if you take an ear, you have to fucking dance. If I see anybody with a pair of fucking ears on who isn't fucking dancing, I will hop off this stage and rip them off your fucking head. Yeah. Absolutely not. Do not fucking touch it if you aren't willing to fucking dance.
I'm afraid. I'm not even wearing it.
Alright. Now, like I said, this song is about a rat infestation at Michael's house. It's a really nice place. You guys are all welcome to come there after the show.
Take your sunglasses, okay? 1, 3, 1,
2! One cold December night, I gave myself an awful fright when I saw this creature in the night. Long teeth and glowing eyes, I thought I had my own demise. That's when he started in the void. When I put him in the ground, until one day I found someone had dug up his grave. But it wasn't someone else, he crawled out that grave himself. That's when I heard a strange voice say, well, he's back from the dead, and he's coming for your head. He's returning, get out of the rats. On the horizon, what did I see? A horde of rats approaching me. But I wasn't ready to fight. My body filled with fright, and the smell of death began to come in. The battle of the next struck of it, everything that moved. Kreacher, he looked me in the eyes. Well, he pulled out his blade, pointed at me and said, "You're about to fucking die!" Well, he's back from the dead, and he's coming for your head. He's Kreacher, the other rats. Excruciating pain, I woke up in the rain. To my surprise, I wasn't dead. But my head felt so strange, my body been rearranged, and now I'm the right side. And I am coming for my prize, eating every man in sight. You can try to fucking hide, but I got blood in my eyes. I am back from the dead, I am coming for your head. I am Kreacher, you're not the rest. I am back from the dead, I am coming for your head. I am Kreacher, you're not the rest. I am back from the dead, and I am coming for your head. I am Kreacher, king of thy rats. Oh wow. Thank you guys for participating in the rat race.